Hey, welcome back to BHM University. My name's Jake with Broadway Home Medical, and today we're going to be going over the iGo folding mobility scooter by Pride Mobility. Okay, so we're just about ready to take this thing for a test drive. First impressions, the seat cushion's comfortable. I'm about 6 foot tall. I've got plenty of leg room here. Another neat feature this scooter has is you can actually adjust the angle of the tiller. There is a little release on this lever here that allows you to move the tiller forward and backwards to get it to a comfortable position. So let's go ahead and take this thing for a spin. It's like with most electric motors, it gets up to top speed pretty quick. Rides really smooth. And one of the things I'm noticing right away is with those perforated tires, it definitely has a smoother ride. I feel like if I was on a standard go-go, I'd be feeling these cracks in the parking lot a lot more. Let's flip around here, just kind of see how well it maneuvers. So, I don't know if you guys saw that, but Pride does have a unique little safety feature built into this. When you make a sharp turn, it does cut the speed down a little bit. That's to help keep you from avoiding, avoid you from tipping over. We're gonna head on down here to the end of the parking lot and do a little tight 360 to show you the turning radius.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy, couldn't wait for the presents.
All right, let's do this thing turns pretty dang sharp. And it stops pretty quick too. This is a pretty slick scooter. The iGo folding mobility scooter from Pride is one of the lightest and most transportable scooters on the market. Folds up easily by pulling on a little lever here. Allows you to fold the backrest down. There's a release underneath the seat that you'll lift up on. It helps if you kind of lift the seat when you press that in and lower that down. There's a latch on your tiller here that allows you to lower it down. Then on your tiller handle, there's a release lever here you're going to lift up on, while also pulling up on this lever on the deck that allows you to fold the scooter. At this point, there is a little locking mechanism on the side here that keeps the scooter from splitting apart when you're going to load it into your vehicle or unload it. At this point, if it's too heavy for you, you can split the scooter into two pieces by lifting up on these two gray levers here and removing the front section from the rear section. Reassembling it is as easy as lining these hooks back up, locking the levers back down, lifting up on the release on the tiller while holding onto the handle on the deck. Then we're going to pull the lever out on the tiller that allows you to raise it back up. Lift up on the release underneath the seat. Pull that knob out on the back. Allows you to fold your backrest up. And now we're ready to ride. The scooter also comes equipped with a airline approved lithium battery that's located right here. You can remove the battery by pulling on this nylon strap. That way, if you have the scooter loaded in the trunk of your car, you can bring the battery in and out of your house to just charge it without unloading the whole scooter. If you want to charge the battery while it's located on the scooter, there is a hole here so you can access that port and plug your charger in right here. The scooter also comes equipped with a hard shell backpack to keep some small items secure and safe. It also has storage underneath the seat that is secured by a cargo net here. The scooter has two speed selectors, so you've got the tortoise and the hare, or your high and your low. An LED battery indicator to tell you how much of a charge you have. A little horn here to let people know you're coming through, and an LED front headlight. The scooter is a front wheel drive, so the motor is actually located here in the front wheel. And you have a release lever here that allows you to take it out of gear by pressing down on it if you need to push it somewhere to get close to like an outlet to charge it. There is a square tube underneath the seat that allows you to attach optional armrests to it. Scooter also has a USB port located on the tiller to allow you to charge your mobile device. Hey, thanks for watching our video. We hope you learned something. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'm Jake with Broadway Home Medical, and we'll catch you next time.